Are you guys ready to splash? Let's check out 10 amazing water vehicles. Sailboat. Look, a sailboat! The wind pushes its big sails to glide smoothly across the water. So pretty. Speedboat. Zoom! That's a speedboat. It's super fast and loves to jump right over the waves. Whee! Jet ski. Check it out! It's a jet ski. It's small, zippy, and makes a huge splash. Cruise ship. Whoa! Look at that giant cruise ship. It's like a floating hotel for a big fun vacation. Can you imagine? Submarine. Down we go. Blub, blub, blub. A submarine travels deep under the sea to see all the colorful fish. Ferry. Here's a ferry. It's a big, strong boat that carries people and even cars across the water. Beep, beep. Rowboat. A cute little rowboat. Grab the oars and let's paddle, paddle, paddle. Good job! Cargo ship. So big! A cargo ship carries heavy containers full of toys and goodies all across the sea. That's a lot of stuff. Canoe. And here is a canoe. It's long and skinny, perfect for a fun river adventure. Watch your balance. Tugboat. Meet the tugboat. It's small but very strong. It helps push giant ships safely into the harbor. Way to go, tugboat! Water vehicles are so awesome. Which one was your favorite? Let us know. See you next time, explorers. Bye-bye!